We'll be flying it.
Goblin 700.
From Superstition Hobbies. That has an Angry Bird paint job on the front. That's why I wanted to tell you what it looks like on the ground. That's one of the only paint jobs like that in the world. That SAP Goblin 700 that you just taken off the finish is powered with a 12S lithium-ion battery. It features a Contronic speed controller. When he does those high-speed passes like that with that Goblin, he said that I believe yesterday we said something like 140 miles an hour top speed. There's real helicopters, I mean, close to helicopters that don't go that fast. It's a great time to go down and visit our vendors who are down there. Please make sure you go down and visit the vendors. They support us here at this event. And they have a lot of show specials. So if you're thinking about getting into the commemorative Air Force, EMS, E-Power, Electric Jet Factory, Joplin RC, Gorilla Miles RC, High Tech, Hobby Town, J-Tech, Manzano Laser Works, Nico Hobbies, Pink Electronics, PureTech, RC Hot Deals, Ronald Cameron Hobbies, Stevens Aero Models. We have Sunscape Fashion, Superstition Hobbies is there, Viper Hobbies, Wingman RC, and Extreme Power System. After time is done, we'll go back to our fixed wing over here. So if you guys want to line up, again, at stations 1 and 5 is lining up for any of our pilots. We got perfect weather.